Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone at presently you are staying. You know very well, I am Selvamani Krishnamurthy, who is sitting in front of you. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. This is Data Science video lesson number 11. In this lesson, let us study what you mean by pandas, and then what you mean by series, how pandas series differs from NumPy array, then how to create series in different ways. These are the topic we are going to study in this lesson. As usual, I like to share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to you. Data Science video lesson number 11. Creating series in pandas. See, pandas is a abbreviation of panel data. Pandas means panel data. P-A-N-D-A, pandas. Pandas is a high-level data manipulation tool for analyzing data. That means what? Pandas is another package, very much useful in data science. Already we studied NumPy package. Am I right? Similarly, just like NumPy package, Pandas is another package. It is also used for analyzing data. Two commonly used data structure in Pandas are series and data frame. Under NumPy, we are studying arrays data structure. In same way, series and data frames are data structure under Pandas. Then, a NumPy array requires homogeneous, that is similar data types, while Pandas series and data frame can have different data types. It may be a float, int, string, date and time, etc. That means what? Arrays is a collection of elements of same data type. All elements available in NumPy array should be same data type. Whereas Pandas series and data frame is a collection of elements of different data types. One data type may be integer, another element may be understring, another element may be date, no problem. Okay, that is the main difference between NumPy array and Pandas series and data frame. That means what? NumPy array is a collection of elements of same data type, whereas Pandas series and data frame is a collection of elements of different data types. Okay, good. Now let us study series. Series is a one-dimensional array containing a sequence of values of any type. It may be int, float, string, etc. Series is a one-dimensional array. That we must clear. By default, series have numerical data labels starting from 0 associated with the values. Just like NumPy array, each individual element can be accessed by index. Index start from 0. Am I right? In same way here, series have numerical data labels starting from 0 associated with the values. See the next point, the data label, that means index. The data label associated with a particular value is called its index. Okay, whereas in NumPy array we call it as index, whereas in series we call it as data label. Data label is also called as index. Okay. We can also assign values of other data type as index. Whereas in NumPy array, index always number starting from 0, it cannot change. Whereas in series, we can also assign values of other data type as index, not only for integer, it may be a string, it may be a float, any other value. Series can be created from list, dictionary, and NumPy array. Series can be created by different ways. Series can also be created from list, dictionaries, and NumPy array. Now let us see one small coding. First, here I import numpy array, already we studied. I created one numpy array from list. Here, the list already we studied under core Python. List is a collection of elements of different data types. First one is string, next one is integer, next one is float. Selva 48 4500.5. While it's creating array, the content, the items of list are promoted to string, even though one string is there. All item will be promoted as string. See, Selva also within single quotes, 48 also within single quotes, 4500.5 also within single quotes. That means what? Array is a collection of elements of same data type. The elements available in the list are converted into string. Good. It's the same thing while using pandas. First, we need to import pandas as PD. We are creating one series 1 equal to pd.series. This creates one series from list. Create series from list. Same item I am giving. One is string, another one is integer, third one is float. This is the list, contains different elements, different data type. While convert into series, the element of list will be as it is. The data type will not change. The series contains Selva 48 4500. That means what? Series is a collection of elements of different data type. Selva is string, 48 is integer, 4500.50 is float. See, this is the new concept, index. Whereas array, the data label will not be displayed. Selva is available in 0th index, 48 is in first index, 4500.50 is in second index. Similarly here, data label, this is element available in series 1. What about this one? This is called data label. The data label start with 0 to n-1 by default. Am I right? By default, 0, 1, 2. If you want, we can change the data in label as well as index. See it here, series 2 equal to pd.series. Here I'm giving 3 teachers' name, Selva, Srini, Chitra in the form of list. Okay, it will be converted into series. Series 2 contains Selva, Srini, Chitra, no problem. But here, by default, index will be 0, 1, 2. Here we are not specifying any index. Am I right? That is why 0, 1, 2 is there. Here I specified index equal to 3, 5, 1. That is what will happen. Selva will be identified third index. Srini will be identified fifth index. Chitra will be identified first index. See it here, 3, 5, 1. That means what? We can assign index different value, not necessary to be start from 0 to n-1, just like numpy array. Okay, so same thing I will demonstrate in front of you so that it will be easy for you. First, let us see one numpy array. Then we will see how series differs from numpy array. Okay, first numpy, import numpy. Import numpy as np. Okay, array 1 data set. This is what already we studied, np.array. Within square bracket, that means list. I want to give one string, one integer value, one float value. Okay, good. So now array is created. Let us check content of array. All elements will be promoted to string. See it here, within single quotes, within single quotes, within single quotes. I just insert one more cell below. Now let us see import pandas as PD. So let us create one series 1 equal to pd.series. S should be capital letter, don't forget. In array, there is small letter, whereas series S should be capital letter. Same data and values I'm giving. One is string, one is integer, another one is float. Let us check series one. So this create one series from list. The list is contain element of different data types. Series will have contains elements of different data type. Let us check. Sorry, it should be series one. Here, Selva 48 4500.50. Data type is not promoted as string. Okay. These are the data label or index. 0 is associated with the Selva, 1 is associated with the 48, 2 is associated with the 4500.50. This data label we can change. By default, it will be 0, 1, 2. Let us create another cell below. Here is 2. Series 2 is equal to pd dot series of within square bracket. Let us see different values. Whatever value you want, you can give, no problem. Srini, Chitra. So by default, data level will be 0, 1, 2. But I want to change the index. I need to specify 3 elements are there. I need to specify 3 index. 3, 5, 1. Whatever number you want, you can give. Now let us check print of series of 2. The data label will be changed 351. I hope it is clear. Let us proceed further. The data label need not to be integer. It may be any type. See it here. Here, same thing. Series 3 equal to pd dot series, same element, but index is string. First, second, third. That also possible. We can do it. Okay. So series can be created from NumPy array also. Series created from NumPy array. This is one NumPy array because array we are using. This series 4 is a series created from NumPy array. Okay. Series also can be created from one dictionary. See, here we are having one dictionary, key, value, key, value, key, value, key, value pair. After that, I create one series called series 5 from dictionary. Create series from dictionary. In this case, all keys become data label or index. See it here. Keys become index and values is actually values. See it here. India, UK, Japan, all are keys. Key, key, key. The capital, New Delhi, London, Tokyo are values that will be kept as the element of series. Okay. Let us demonstrate the same thing in front of you. I will add another one cell here. Okay. Series 3 equal to pd dot series of same list I'm giving Selva, Srini, Chitra along with index. Index equal to within square bracket first, second, third. That means what? The index may be string or any data type. Let us check. It is not necessary. Always it be integer. Series 3. Error happens. Let us see. Invalid syntax. Here should be single quotes. See it here. Selva, Srini, Chitra are element. First, second, third are index associated with the series element. Let us add one more cell here. So let us create one series from list. Sorry, frame array. Array 4 equal to np dot array. Within bracket I am giving 10, 20, 30, 40. You know very well, array 4 is a NumPy array. So series 4 equal to pd dot series. Series of Here array 4. Array 4. Now series 4 is a one series created from NumPy array. Let us check. Series 4. See it here. I hope it is clear. Then we can create one dictionary. Then we will see how to create one series from dictionary. Dict1 equal to within curly bracket. So this is a key, colon, this is value. Similarly, UK, London, then Japan, colon, Tokyo. So I go, one list is ready. Let us confirm is created or not. So one dictionary is created. So now I need to create one series called file from dictionary. Series of dict1. So it will create one series file from dictionary. All keys available in the dict1 will be considered as index. Values will be considered as element. Let us check series 5. See it here. New Delhi, London, Tokyo. These are items. India, UK, Japan. These are all index or data label associated with the series item. That means what? The keys available in the dictionary act as a data label or index for series. That you must understand. So now let us proceed with the recap. Very simple. Pandas is a abbreviation of panel data. So Pandas is a high-level data manipulation tool for used for analyzing data. First one. Two commonly used data structures are Pandas and data frame, series and data frame. A NumPy array requires homogeneous data type. That means what? All elements should be similar data type. While Pandas series and data frame, now we are studying only series. Pandas series and data frame can have elements of different data type. It may be float, in string. That already we studied. Series means what? Series is a one-dimensional array. So far, whatever we studied, series contains only one-dimensional array. So series is a one-dimensional array containing the sequence of values of any data type. It may be an integer, it may be a float, it may be a list, it may be a string. By default, series have numerical data label starting from 0 associated with the values. Okay. The data label associated with the particular series values is called its index. Data label or index. We can also assign values of other data types as index. Okay. String also we can assign as an index. It is not necessarily always should be integer starting from 0 to n-1. Series can be created from NumPy array, list, and dictionary. That also we study. Am I right? So today I let us stop here itself. I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson very nicely. Next lesson, let us study something extra. Until then, thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye-bye. See you.